This is a pre-Christmas allotment visit. I haven't been here for, I think nearly a week. It got so hectic, the weather so terrible, and I don't think I wasn't 100%, but I wasn't terribly ill. Just underlying, I think. You know, it is run down, yeah. Leading to the end of term and all that kind of stuff. So I'm a bit slightly worried about my seedlings. Are they alive? Has the vermiculite saved them because of the fact that they hold moisture? Rosie's with me. Say hello, Rosie. She's busy eating grass. I'm going to take her off lead as soon as I've rounded the corner. When I know that there's actually no one here, because you never know until you get round the corner. You could sort of gauge. So yeah, it's Christmas Eve. So let's go and check these seedlings out. Right. There's ours. Rosie. It's a good girl. She knows, is it ours? She must know, but she's good. She must know. She's been there enough times. No one's around. She's great. My garlic are still looking good. They've grown quite a bit actually. Oh, let's have a look through the window. Oh, they're alive. Oh. Well, I'm definitely going to water them. Rosie, let's pick this up. It's been incredibly windy. Just have a little wander around. I'll show you my pond cover because the last time I was here, before I left, I attached the fire guard to this pole. You can see in the middle. And I can leave that bit there. I'll probably try and find a pole to attach to that, but there'll be this kind of gap for creatures to get in and out. Yeah, I mean, no, yeah. Rosie's eating grass over there. Can you see her? Yeah. I mean, this time of year, not a lot changes, which is kind of great, really. Like in the summertime or spring, everything grows like the clappers. If you're away for a few days, it's like woohoo! Oh, that's good. I'm going to get in the shed. Nobody's here. Nobody's mad enough to come on Christmas Eve. I've got so much to do. Everything was left to the last minute, mainly because it was payday yesterday, which is sort of frees you up to do all the Christmas present shopping that you need to do, because I couldn't do it beforehand. Right, let's get in the shed. Back in the shed. You're in the shed for me. Oh, I've lost my flow. Right, I'm going to get water for these seedlings. The hydrangea looks really sorry for itself, but there is new growth, so I'm not too worried. Hopefully, I don't know. That's the first time I've kept a hydrangea in a shed. Rosie, I saw it. I had a tennis ball in the shed, so I've given it to her. Where's that lead? I don't want to. In case anyone comes, or I can leave that open actually. Yeah. Water bottle. Rosie, come. Rosie, come. someone's just turned up, so it's ironic, isn't it? I do think everyone would be, I mean, I'm coming here not as early as I'd like. I would have been earlier, but I was absolutely shattered yesterday. Rosie, come. Right, because I don't know what's around the corner, I'm going to put her on the lead. She's stuck to the path, which is good. Let's get this water. Oh, look at that. Why is that empty like that? That shouldn't be empty like that. Ugh, strange. Right, it's enough for me though, for what I need. Or maybe, oh, I know, they've turned it off, haven't they? That's it. I forget, they turn the water off at a certain point. Right, this is going to be interesting, carrying water with Rosie. Oh, jeez, oh. We're going to water these plants and then go, because I've got to go into town. I'll start doing some prep. My daughter's coming tomorrow. House, I've started, you know how it is with Christmas. You kind of extra tidy, don't you? Lots of that to do, finish off even. And I'm splashing myself with water. Oh. It's just because there's someone there. I don't want to. Yeah, Rosie. She's good. She doesn't go anywhere where she shouldn't, but she's good recall, is what I was trying to say. Let's get these watered. I'm definitely going to come back in between Christmas. It's been really warm as well, actually. Oh, I've got exciting news. I've ordered a wildlife camera, which I'm absolutely stoked about. Off Temu, of all places. I can't afford the they look exactly the same, to be fair, the cameras. Oh, just in case. Seedlings are watered, so I think we're going to call it a day. Short and sweet. I want to say thank you to everybody who's watched me. When did I start this channel? Oh, I can't actually remember. I think it's about 6 months ago, something like that. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this channel. I'm looking forward to 2024, wildlife cam. Hopefully we'll see hedgehogs. More on that in the future, because that's going to be sort of part and parcel of the allotments. Safety, you know, like watching out for them and etc. Especially for wildlife cam at night time. You never know. Hopefully to attract them here somehow. A pond being there, etc. for water, and leaving food out. That's going to be the plan. Yeah, and sort of the progression of the allotment, you know, sorting out the areas that all need, you know, all of the areas, that the continuation, and hopefully to come spring, grow lots of food. So, yeah, thanks everybody, thanks so much. I hope you all have a really lovely Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in the new year. Take care. Bye.